Well, okay. I'm glad you asked that. Meron mga flood control na nasira lalo na sa Vintar. Those flood controls were implemented before I was congressman during the period of 2019 to 2022.
Yes.
Nakita ko yung line item dun itinayo lalo na dun sa not sa isik-isik
Alsem.
sa Alsem. And kita, grabe. Because when we, nung nasira, nakita mo yung loob, hollow siya. And I think that was a project from 2018, if I'm not mistaken, or 2019. So we will do everything we can to repair those flood control projects. Pero sa mga tao dyan na nagsasabi, proyekto ko yan, I want to make it clear, that is not my project. The first project that I had here were the solar lights. Nakailan bagyo na tayo? May nasira bang solar light? Wala pa. So, you know, we make it a point here to make sure that everything, again, is accounted for and up to the standard that our Kakailians deserve.